Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned validation messages from in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. In last video friends, we have learned a looping through, and in this video we have learned a validation messages. So friends, first we have write getting a validation message, and friends we have write a validation required validators dot required. So friend, I'm using this and remove this. I'm using of this. Friends, error message is getting an error form. We've created already, and friends we have do last on load data console.log this.error form equaling this error form. We have created this. So friends, we have save and it will be page refresh, and we have open impact and console, and we click, and we have click a upload data button. Click. So friends, you can see required full name and required country. So friends, you can see this. I have already given a required full name and required country. We have write a give full name, save, and friends, it's done. And you can see we are clicking on this, and friends, you can see give the full name. I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the videos, then please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon. And for more information, like my Facebook, follow Instagram and Twitter. And if you have any query, friends, you can ask me in comment or email, and visit my website friends, www.asp.nettutorials.com. And thank you for watching videos.